Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So, I think this is my first trip to Bramley Moore since New Year. This year, sorry. So, yeah, I do apologise if you've been waiting for videos, but there's been nothing to update you on, really. I live just down the road from here and there hasn't been a lot going on. So, we got an email this morning to say that this was already in the process of being put up. So, I've come down to get a little bit of shot of it. This like right across the road from it. It's not the greatest angle yet, so I get different angles. I'll go down to where I normally go down, see if the security try and tell me off for it. But yeah, this is the latest piece to go. So I'll be down tonight with my drone now to get some aerial shots of it. But yeah, the first thing to report this year. Um, I was going to come down and do some videos, but it wasn't really worth it. So I've left it till there's something interesting to report on. So a little bit of better angle here. I can't remember what I quite said in that first section there, but this is the last piece of that front truss to go on the south stand if it didn't make that clear in the first part of the video. Yeah, and a little scan across, there's a crane moving, well it was moving, now it's stopped. So as I got here, before I started recording, there's a guy here with a camera, and I noticed it was a Sony, so I stopped him, I had a little chat off what camera it was. It was a Sony A7R3, and I've got a Sony A7R4, and you know, there's not much difference between the cameras, to be fair, they're really good cameras. So I was having a little chat to him. Thought he must have had a YouTube channel or something, but he's not. He's a photographer, does like headshots and stuff. So he's got a studio at home, and then like done a little nod down the dock road. So I thought he must live over the water or something. I was kind of right anyway when I said over the water. So he said, yeah, I'm from the States. So yeah, brilliant. So we're party in Vegas. He said, I do headshots. I've got my own studio. I've got my own studio over there. I said, oh, brilliant. And I said, well, what are you doing over there? He said, they were blue. So I can take some photos of the ground. I was like, wow, that's dedication for you. I had to wait until it built. Stayed in the sun. But yeah, that was interesting talking to him. Right, so got a bit there. It's really taking shape now. So I'm going to have a little stop here. And I'll go and find another angle where I normally get told off. So they've been really clever and shut that first gate where I normally record. So I'm still outside. I'm going to be stepping on the cobbles, which I assume will be Everton's land. So I see a shed on. It's going to record from here. No. Let's see there. I'm get a little bit closer before I get told off. Yeah, the gate's kind of in the way there, so yeah. I'll show you what I mean when I say I'm only called from this gate here, but you've shut it. Yeah, and you can see the view isn't great. So you kind of know what they're doing here. Walk a little bit further up, see if there's anything else I can get. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to poke my camera through the little gap. There we go. And there you can see, yeah, I've got my hand in there, so you can see it in all its glory. Where there's a will, there's a way, you know what I mean? Let's go right across there. See, it looks brilliant. It really does. Um, so you can get a zoom in on it. Okay. a slow scan across the top. There you go. I like that moody looking cloud over there. I might, before I leave, I'll turn that into a photograph. Just get that corner section in there with the clouds on the back. Uh, yeah, I'll put it on at the end. That was good, that. I don't want to get the whole stand in. It's good when you get bits of it in. That's okay. I'll just go back, go to my camera, take the photograph, and I'll put it on at the end. Actually, I'll put it on next. So, took a few photos there. I don't know if they're going to turn out. Once I get them back into and have a look at them. But yeah, so a little walk down the road. And just show you what it looks like from walking down this way. So, across the road here. Cars across. There we go. So it looks good from this angle here. I hope everyone had a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year as well. If we haven't said it before, well, as ever, haven't been that active. I've been up to Anfield once, but that's because I was recording the workforce coming back, and there's no restrictions with the drone. So that's why I've done Anfield. But at Bramley Moore, there's a lot more restrictions, obviously. Well, that's going on up there. We can't get the drone out, so I'd like to come down and record the workforce coming back on the first day, but again, something I wasn't able to do. So I'm back now. I'll get back at it. I've also ordered some headlights for my drone so I can record more at night. They're supposed to be arriving today. So yeah, that'd be interesting to see what's like with all the lights on my drone. They say record during the day, record more during the night would make more sense, so I said during the day. So I'm approaching the main gate now. I'll have a little film in here. There seems to be a lot going in or out of here, to be fair. So this is where I've talked that guy I was on about from Vegas. There we go. Let's zoom in a touch. Okay. From the ground, doesn't seem to be a lot going on. There's a crane on the move there. It's obviously going to pick something up because there's nothing on the end of it. There you go. And there's a new section there being held in place till it's all secure. There's something getting lifted there. What is it? Anyone know? Because I haven't got a clue. The cage is some sort of. Oh, yes, it's today. Another platform getting lifted in there, isn't it? That's all. Yeah, that's all it is. They all look the same. I should have known that. Yeah, there we go there. Let's see where this ends up. a piece of jigsaw going into place. Not many people down here watching this either, to be fair. One guy standing next to me, that's it. And that's pretty much almost in place. So I'll have a little walk down so you can see there. See it from there. There's the north stand there. Not a lot going on. There's some guys on east stands working away in that corner. Platform at the bottom. Can't wait to see it when it's finished. I just have no vision of stuff when it's going up. Because I see this now and then I look at the final design and think, how does that turn into that? I just don't get it. That's why I'm just a photographer. There we go. Very close up scan across there. And a little side-on shot of the north stand. Was to the lorry going away. There we go. Little side-on shot of the north stand. So I'm going to end it there, guys. Thanks for all your support last year, and long may it continue this year. I'm trying to grow my channel, so subscribers are always welcome to join the channel. You know, helps me grow. Likes and comments as well always help me out. So thanks for watching my videos. I will see you tomorrow with tonight's drone footage. Okay, speak to you all soon.